If you have ever tried to run an AI agent to automate your web browsing, you know what usually happens. The script takes over. It hijacks your mouse, floods your screen with invasive tabs, and forces you to stop working. Ego Lite is a Chromium-based browser designed to fix this by splitting its architecture in half. It creates two separate workspaces on your machine, one for you and one for your AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will successfully configure this browser to securely copy your existing personal web credentials. Your AI agent will run complex web chores invisibly in the background, leaving your screen completely free for your work. Before we begin, check your system. Right now, this requires a Mac operating system. Windows and Linux are not yet supported. You also need an active Google Chrome profile loaded with your daily browsing data and a local AI command line interface like Claude Code already installed. By isolating the AI into its own background environment, we remove the friction of shared control. Your agent stops being a script you have to babysit and becomes a silent, asynchronous collaborator. Step 1 is getting the software on your machine. Open your terminal application and launch your preferred local AI agent. Instead of downloading it yourself, you are going to command the agent to do it. Paste this exact prompt into the terminal. Set up Ego Lite for me. Read the Install.md file in the Citrolabs GitHub repository and follow the steps. Once you hit enter, the agent reads the online documentation, navigates your local file directories, and automatically runs the Node Package Manager scripts required to link the browser to your system. While it works, verify your Mac's hardware architecture. Check if you are running Apple Silicon or an older Intel chip. You need to ensure the agent pulls the correct binary built for your specific processor to avoid slow translation layers. When the terminal finishes processing, open your macOS Applications folder and launch the new Ego Lite app. Because this is a third-party developer tool, your Mac is going to block it immediately. To bypass this, open your macOS system settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, scroll down to the security prompt for Ego Lite, and click Open Anyway to confirm. Having your AI read raw GitHub documentation to install its own local operating tools is your first real proof of what this system can do. You gave it a goal, and it handled the execution. The moment the browser launches, you hit the most critical decision gate in the entire setup, the prompt to migrate your Google Chrome data. Click Yes. This triggers a local duplication process. The system meticulously copies your tracking cookies, active session tokens, saved passwords, and bookmarks directly into the Ego Lite Chromium environment. If you click No, your AI launches into a pristine, unauthenticated state. The very first time it tries to automate a task on a secured platform, it will hit a login wall or a captcha challenge, and the entire process will fail. To ensure the migration worked, open a standard tab in your new browser and navigate to a site you use daily, like an internal corporate dashboard or a social media feed. The page should load instantly, fully logged in, without asking for a password. By solving the credential deficit right at the start, you grant the AI immediate, trusted access to the web. It inherits your exact authenticated state, allowing it to navigate secure sites just like you would. Now that the browser is configured, return to your terminal to run your first automated task in parallel. This split-screen diagram illustrates what happens next. On the left, we type a command into our terminal. /egobrowser follow @egoagent on x.com for me. On the right is our active browser, currently streaming a video. When you execute that command, the Ego Lite kernel spins up a completely invisible, isolated space in the background. The agent reads the page layout, synthesizes its plan into a single block of JavaScript, and runs it. Notice the active window on the right. Your streaming video never stutters. Your mouse cursor never jumps across the screen, and your keyboard focus is completely undisturbed. Within seconds, the terminal on the left updates with a success message confirming the new account has been followed. This frictionless interaction only works because of the setup we just completed. The agent didn't have to log in to x.com because it was already operating with your cloned session cookies. Running AI in true parallel means you no longer have to step away from your machine while a script runs. You eliminate the physical bottleneck of screen real estate. You have successfully engineered an environment where human intuition and machine automation operate side by side on the same hardware. To build this setup yourself, check the video description below. You will find the exact terminal prompts and commands we used today. The web browser was originally built for a single user staring at a screen. Upgrading it into a shared workspace where you and your AI execute tasks together is the next logical step in digital automation.